All right, today is Monday, June 4, 2018. It is the day before code freeze for Kubernetes, and we wanted to do a one-off meeting today just to check up on the status of the outstanding PRs that we have going into Kubernetes to make sure that we're on track. So adding CSI driver registration with plugin watcher. Sergey's been working on this. So he was able to actually do two things at once. One is do the integration with the kubelet plugin registration mechanism, and two is add in logic that will actually have the driver have the kubelet do the labeling of the node object, which currently resides in the driver registrar. We were thinking that we would have to put that work off until next quarter, but luckily Sergey was able to get that in. I've LGTM'd and approved this PR, so it should be ready to go. I think there is, it's waiting on approval actually from the kubelet team and somebody from the hack owners list, and Sergey is going to try to hunt those people down today and get approval from them. Sergey, if you have any issues with that, reach out to me and I can help with that as well.
Yeah, actually, I was when I did a complete test with the pod trying to mount CSI volume, I found some errors generated by attacher.
Okay.
So I need to figure out what's going on there. Maybe it's the configuration on in my YAML where I'm providing incorrect path for the CSI driver socket. So right now I'm investigating that. Because I didn't have a complete driver register running. I was using like a fake one just to test the gRPC. Now I have an end-to-end thing, and that's when I discovered that weird behavior. So I need to figure out what's going on there.
Cool. Let me know how that goes. I'll keep an eye out for that. So that was the one big item that we were tracking. The other big item was to block volume support, and for that Vlad had a PR go in to refactor some of the existing code. I synced with Vlad on Friday to provide some feedback. There was a couple different ways that we could go about doing the refactor, and we wanted to make sure that we were going down the right path, and ultimately we decided pretty much what Vlad was doing was correct. The only difference was that we were thinking about moving the locking mechanism that exists back into the core code instead of depending on the plugins to do it. Vlad, do you want to talk about that?
Sure. I did that, and I pushed that refactor PR, I think yesterday or something like that.
Nice.
So that should be, I don't remember what the PR is, but basically whatever we talked about, that's what's in the code right now.
Okay. I think I took a look at it this morning. Either I approved it or I put a comment. I forget which one.
Okay. Yeah, I haven't looked at it, so I'll take a look at it.
Cool. You can sync up on that afterwards. And so beyond that, I think there was one more PR outstanding. What's the status of that?
So that actual PR. Well, so what I'm doing today is basically rebasing everything, all the changes, plus that refactor PR.
Yep.
Right now I'm making sure that all the tests are working. So I should have a PR. I'm gonna be bugging you for that to take a look at that PR very soon.
Sounds good. Yeah. Feel free. I'll be on Slack. I'll keep an eye out for that.
Okay.
All right. So that sounds good. I think those are the.
There's actually.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Sorry to cut you off. There's one more thing I got pinged for documentation for block.
Okay.
So it's kind of I didn't want to get into documentation before we were like sure that it was going to go in.
Yeah.
So
the documentation deadline's after code freeze, though, right?
No. Well, there's a. It was for the actual feature, the feature sheet. So I guess we had to make sure that we didn't get dropped from that. So I gotta go back and kind of make sure that
follow up on it.
Yeah.
All right. I mean, whatever happens, try to like put the documentation on the back burner.
Okay.
Let's focus on getting the code in, and then documentation comes afterwards.
Yeah. I mean, it's going to be in alpha anyway. So okay.
All right, cool. Thank you for that. Last thing is that CSI 0.3 is supposed to be cut this afternoon. The big item for that is going to be updating the Kubernetes internals to pick up 0.3. Sergey, are you still okay to do that?
Well, actually, since I discovered this hiccup, I need to concentrate on that one. So if somebody could do that, that would be great.
Yeah, no, we can find someone else to work on that. David, any chance you're interested in doing that?
I can do it.
Okay.
Just tag me on there.
Cool.
Is that today?
It is today. So around noon, it's going to be cut, and then basically we'll just need to go in and update the internal code to point to 0.3.
Okay.
And I don't think there should be any breaking changes. So
you don't think?
I don't think, but there something might have snuck in. We'll see.
Okay.
So fine. Just kind of do the update and run the end-to-end test.
Is this just updating the dependency and making sure everything is doing fine? Okay. Yeah, you can do that.
Cool. And that is all that we have that we're tracking. So documentation is going to be post-code freeze. We can take a look at that. And then the two big features, we got Vlad and Sergey looking at those. So we're looking good there. I think that's pretty much it. Is there anything else you guys want to talk about?
No, I think that's it.
All right, cool.
That's it for me too.
So then we'll meet up on Wednesday. Thank you so much for all your hard work. I know both of you have been working a lot over the last week to get this in, so I really appreciate it.
Absolutely.
All right.
All right. Take care.
Okay,
all right,
bye.
man.
Bye.
Later.